water finally. Kanake katakam yatha. There's an ornament called kataka, which is near Bajuband. And finally, when you melt it, what happens? It becomes gold. Then, where is that kataka? It has been dissolved into the gold. It has been dissolved into the gold. Now only gold remains finally. So, in the same way, the entire world came out of me, and the entire world will go into me. Aho aham namo mahyam vinasho yasya nasti me. Aho, what a wonder! I am alone there. So to whom will I prostrate? It is only I prostrate to myself. Namo mahyam. Namaskar to me. Aho aham namo mahyam. All prostrations and namaskars to myself. Vinasho isya nasti me. And this is the one which remains forever. It doesn't undergo any destruction whatsoever. Vinasho, destruction. Yasya nasti. Me yasya nasti. Me, to me, there is no. So into that, to that me, I bow. I bow to myself.
Guruji, when you gave this example of the
Amulet.
Kadaka, and you melt it. Now, in that case, I take a different form of gold, I melt it, but there I feel that I have created the new form of gold, and the old gold and new gold in the new form is in front of me.
See, look here.
Not,
it cannot be. A creation means it never existed in any form earlier. That is called a creation. So that is the definition of creation.
okay.
That which never existed earlier, but has come now, that is called the creation. I don't mind whether it was in a different form, it has come now, the base was always there. And here there is no base at all.
So my question is that Guruji, creation is the wrong word, but I see the gold moving from one form to another. But when I die, I don't see my form going to some other form, no? Nor does anybody else see.
Seeing is not always believing. There are so many things which you don't believe, which you don't see, but they are there. All these, for these 2 weeks, you never saw me. Didn't I exist? So, seeing is not believing. There are other pramanas. The other pramanas, one is called pratyaksha, seeing. Apart from this, second is called anumana. Anumana means inference. I find there a lot of this smoke coming out. Because the smoke comes, there should be a fire there. So this fire you never saw, but because of that you see, you know that there is a fire. This is the second proof. Anumana. Then the third one is called Arthapatti. It is a derivation. It's also another type of induction. So it has to be there. Because you find later on that all charred coal is there and all that. So there has been a fire here. And the other one is, I don't remember what is called. It's called indirect inference. That is, Devadattaha Diva Nabhunte. Devadatta does not eat during the day. Parantu Pinaha Asti, but he is quite fat and daily he is becoming fat. When he does not eat at all during the day, how does it come? Then automatically it means Ratro Bhunte. She takes everything inclusive at night. So this is called indirect inference. Then there are so many inferences in other cults. Only Advaita believes in these 5. The other one, whatever is written in the Puranas, we take it as correct. So like that, the other ones also. That is what means the pratyaksha alone. Nobody has told this is the only way to know whether something exists or not. It cannot be. The eyes can always deceive you, just as in the case of the Vinash. So if you want something, a pramana which cannot deceive you. Aho aham namo vishwam namo mahyam vinasho yasya nasti me brahmadistambha paryantam jagannashe vitishtata. I bow to myself who cannot be destroyed. Who cannot be destroyed. But even when the entire world is destroyed, I remain as his witness. So I remain still. The eye never goes. And what sort of that Jagat? Brahmadi Stambha Paryantam. Starting from a pillar of the Brahman, this is called the Jagat. Starting from a pillar up to the Brahman. Brahmadi Stambha Paryantam. Up to the Stambha. Stambha means a pillar. So, we'll stop with the next 13. Aho aham namo mashyam ye koham dehavanapi kacchinnaganta naganta vyapya vishramavasthitam. Aho aham namo mashyam, just like the previous one. I bow to myself as there is nobody else. Yegoham dehavanapi. Even though there is a container called the various bodies, still I am only one. I am a single one who is there in all the pots. There is only a single electricity which is in all the bulbs. And this is only a bulb. So even if there is a bulb, I am single inside it as an energy. Kacchinnaganta naganta. And as an energy, I never go anywhere. Why? Master, why? Why the Atma cannot go anywhere? Is it because it lacks, it has no feet?
Because time and space are a product of the... There is no question.
You say that everywhere, wherever you think of, only Atman is there.
Only one.
There is nothing about the Atman. Where can it move?
Right.
Move means it was originally vacant and you are moving to the vacant space.
Correct. So time and space, Swamiji, is only part of this world.
That's all.
There is no time and space.
See, look here, even when there is no time and space, wherever you can imagine, that's all only Atman.
Correct.
That's all.
So
So
he is
there's
not,
no space.
there is no
about
space
it.
and there is no time.
There's no time. We are not concerned with time. Now we are talking one aspect.
Space.
Gata, about space. So, Naham Gata. Kacchinnaganta, Nahaganta, Nah do I come from anywhere. That means I was not there. Here, I was not here. I have come from somewhere here. No, you already existed here. So this, you never came, you never went. Vyapya Vishram Masthita, because the entire universe, you are spread all over. And there is no other space where you can go. It's just like the story of our Akbar. Akbar's birthday, everybody went in the morning and congratulated him. Jahanpanah Mubarak ho, aapka janam din. Lord, we greet you all let me be happy at all times. The wise minister, Birbal alone, went and gave a peculiar greetings. He said, what is that to say? You are greater than the Lord. In the Quran it is told, if anybody says that any man is equal to God or greater than God, you cut off his head immediately. It cannot be. You are also God in a way, but we don't say you cut off another man, but we say, Samanadika Vrajita. He has got nobody equal to him, Samana. Adhika, he has got nobody who excels him. So both are not there. Samanadika Vrajita. So in the same way, you prove, otherwise I am going to cut your head. Come on, I give you time. You prove how I am greater than the God. He simply stood for it. You are my very good friend, so my tolerance is high. It doesn't mean I will be tolerant ad infinitum. Come on, here is my sword. I am going to kill you. Come on, quick. No. Birbal, you have been my very good friend. I don't have the heart to kill you. But you are banished from my kingdom. This minute, you can go anywhere else out of my kingdom. Before night, 12 o'clock, you should be out of my kingdom. If you have seen, I have given orders. Anywhere, any soldier sees, he will kill you. Now, Birbal laughed. Sir, my